namesake. So I look at Paul and I said, now God, you the one set Paul up. So now you the one called Paul. I said, Paul wouldn't have to go through all this if you wouldn't have chose him. Y'all ain't gonna talk to me. I mean, y'all never been there. Now God, if you didn't put this anointing on me, now I wouldn't have to go through all this warfare. See, those of you, God anoint me. God anoint me. God give me more power. God, let the gifts be used. You gotta count up the cost and understand that there's a force that's going to come against you because they know the anointing breaks and destroys the yokes of what they're trying to yoke on God's people. In other words, you got to pay a price for the anointing. You're going to be lied on. You're going to be persecuted. People are going to judge you. Even your own flock going to attack you. Some of the people you help the most going to rip your heart out, and God should still love them. Even some of your family members going to reject you and make you feel like they don't even want to have anything to do with you, but you still got to stand in the anointing and say, for God I live and for God I die. God chose me and I got to finish my course. God chose him. Chose him. Then he said, you must suffer for Christ's sake. But this is what blessed me. That 17th verse. God, I wish I'm grateful here.